Hey guys, time to wrap it up for today. This Friday, July 25th. Sorry I was late on this one. I got stuck on a phone call setting up the customer. So that took a little bit longer than I thought, but we are done. So at this point, market looks very much like it's trading higher, right? I would not be surprised if we get a little bit of a sell-off here going into the close. Would not be surprised, but we did extend to the upside and we are back in stage one. So starting off this on the long side of the market, looking to buy weakness, go for rotations back up. Unless they, for some reason, close below that 6,400, I'm going to start from the long side going into the overnight. So definitely a strong market. It's light volume. Yes, remember that. So light volume, move to the upside. It can always be easily reversed, but right now they're squeezing it to the upside, and there you go. So 500 contracts on the micros. We got 600,000 on the full size. So there you go. Uh, so I would start from the long side. At this point, looking to buy weakness against the reverse edge at 64.20s, against this edge at 64.10 and 6400. So those are the three levels I look to buy against to get started. No trades at all from me today. I just been kind of watching. It's been too sloppy, and I kind of skipped out on this rally here. So I've been working on some other stuff. On the Nasdaq and the bonds, Nasdaq's back also on the stage one. We move out of the middle to the upside. We'll see what's going to happen early on next week. Not a huge move, but definitely a move to the upside. So they are taking this higher. What if they close below that 420s, 430s? We may be starting off range bound, but still looking to buy weakness against the 380s, the 360s, and the 320s for rotations back up. If they close below 320s for some reason, I think we had to worry about the short side a bit, but I'm not seeing that right now though. But you can see here, it looks like they're nailing it now going into the close. But so starting off from the long side, going into the overnight, Sunday, Monday. On the bond market, pretty much range bound, just flat out range bound trading. They're not moving. They moved a little bit to the upside, then they are stalled out. So I would say range bound trading going into the overnight, Sunday, Monday on the bonds. Oil and gold. No trades on either of those two, but it's you can see oil heading lower. They're flirting. They're taking out that 65.30, so they're flirting with a check down here at the 64s. First level is 64.75 to get through. Next level down is 64. So again, going to be modestly optimistic that we may, at least may see a test of 64.75 in the overnight here. So looking for some early weakness. If it holds at 64.80, that's probably going to stay range bound. If they take it lower, it could be a nice short trade right down to 64 for a move back up again. But I'm still looking to trade failure to take out 64 for rotations back up again. That's kind of where we are right now. If they take out the 64s, bets are off. We are heading lower. On gold, same story there. We started off on the short side. We got a little bit of an overshoot from the value area, but we are right back here to the 33.40 to 45 level. So support held at 33.25.26, and now we're right back up again. So I would start off range bound, maybe a slight bias to the downside to see if they can retest that low in the going into in the overnight, but I think they're right back to value. So probably going to see sideways action on gold right now. But they're right back to this attractive. They overshot it, back to it, and probably going to stay sideways there. What I'm thinking. All right, so that's oil and gold. I haven't taken any trade today. It's been just watching it. It's such a slow morning. So I just cannot get things going there. But anyway, at this point, nice move to the upside. So both ES and Nasdaq starting off from the long side. Let's see how far they can take it. It looks like a strong market, light volume, and just be mindful of it, and we'll take it from there. So you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you back on Monday. All right, guys, later.